Guangzhou Shuyong Group, established since 2013. The factory covers more than 40,000 square meters. Our factory, specializing in intelligent display equipment, digital interactive whiteboard, advertising displayer, self-service terminal, customized products and other commercial self-service equipment. We're a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales and service. Our subsidiaries Guangzhou Kaisheng and Guangzhou Haosheng are committed to building China's largest and most professional intelligent display equipment enterprises. We always take creating an international high-quality brand as our development goal. Our group implements the ISO 9001 International Quality Management System and iOS 14001 Environmental Management System policies. The products have passed energy-saving labels, 3C, C, Rose FCC, and many intellectual property patents and software copyrights. With our excellent quality and innovative design, our product exported to many countries such as France, the United States, Germany, Russia, Kuwait, Japan, India, Australia and so on. In the future, Guangzhou Shuyong Group will stand pioneer and innovate, and constantly surpass, doing the best to be as a world-class commercial LCD display solution provider.